We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting up at the top, we'll give you a new shutoff valve here. It's a 3/4 inch full port, quarter turn ball valve. So, quarter turn off, quarter turn on. And of course, a little brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are the largest in the industry, 3/4 inch full inside diameter. Ultra flexible as well. So both the hot and the cold. Tied it over here on this side. Valve is not required. So we filed your nipple clean, and another Falcon stainless steel connector down to the tank. Little brass extensions there. Brand new vent, adjustable 90 up here, adjustable 90 down there. 30-inch piece of pipe, and then of course it's a little short, so just a little puppy there, like 2.5 inch long. And we did give you some strapping here. This is just kind of floating out here into the sealing bucket. This is your sealing bucket. We don't want it to drop down, so we gave you three pieces of plumber's tape around the perimeter, just for a little insurance right there. Didn't have that on it before, but you have it now. Relief valve comes with the unit, and temperature and or pressure exceeds a certain range, this will pop off and drain. Just a short nipple here, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector down to the relief line. That is yours. This is our supply line. Relief line behind the water heater is yours. We just stubbed it up and put a connector back on, so that's good. Upper third adjustable strap. Lower third we've got an adjustable strap. And then down at the bottom we give you a brand new shutoff valve here. So brand new gas valve, a brand new connector, and then leave this tag on here, please. That's to show the flow rate of the connector. And then the controller comes with the water heater. Get this load out of the way. So this controller right now at hot 120, A130, B140, C150 very hot 160. EPA recommends 120 degrees to prevent scalding in infants and elderly. You can see right here scalding risk increases with hotter water at 140, which is B. Got 3rd-degree burns in 3 seconds. Infants and elderly 1 second. If you're not too concerned about that, and you want to get some more hot water out of this unit, oh, I forgot the name of them right now. CDC? Nope, CDC. Yeah, CDC says 140, and that prevents bacteria from growing in the water. So EPA they like 120 for safety. CDC, Center for Disease Control. 140, we can't turn it there because we're liable, and so we leave it there. Feel free to adjust it. We do not recommend 150, 160. You had it up on 160 on your old water heater, which probably was underperforming, being 25 years old, so it wasn't, you weren't getting it in the house. But at 140, this water heater will feel like it's a 65 gallon as opposed to the 50. It was a 40 gallon we pulled out of here, but you got a 50. And we did go ahead and reinstall your valve, so that's your valve. We did replace the nipple though. We got a brand new nipple in there, brass. We don't like galvanized pipe on anything that's potable water. And then your valve, we gave you an adapter as a point of courtesy here. That way, this guy, you just unscrew this cap, and this is a hose thread adapter. Just screw your hose on right there, and then open up your valve and a faucet somewhere, and you're good to go for your annual flushing. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.